Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the trade bot tool can help you get mass traffic on trade. Okay, so you see the screen. This is my tool that I'm using to manage and using unlimited trade account and also either Instagram accounts. Okay, after that I will go to trade function, and in here I can choose many options about this platform. So first is the portrait. So first is the portrait function, and in here this function will help me to auto post the content that I already add in this tool with my multiple trade account. Okay, next function is the thread comment. Thread comment is mean this tool will help me to use multiple thread account to auto comment to any post that I want or profile or keyword with my content that I already make it in this tool. Okay, so next is the thread interaction, and this function will help me to warm up multiple thread account with the script I can make it in here. And after that is the seeding thread function, and seeding is mean you will auto like, auto comment on thread, and I will can choose my account to go to seeding with my content. I just make it in the tool, and I can seeding by account and the link. Okay, so next function is the change thread information, and like the name, you can this tool will help you to change all your information of your account, and you can choose the option in here like change avatar, change bio, change interest, and add link or many more. See history of thread in here. Okay, so basically just show you the trade bot tool can help you get more traffic on trade. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you need to or more information, you guys can tell me my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation tool.